Pharma Solutions, a CDMO with strong financials and global leadership, has a 22-acre facility at Pithampur near Indore in India. This state-of-the-art, commercial-scale oral solid dosage and ophthalmic vial facility is very well connected by air, road, and rail to the major ports. With over 250 engineers and scientists, the site is equipped to handle new chemical entity launches, life cycle management programs, and generic products commercialization. The site also has a dedicated team to handle technology transfer from various Piramal R&D sites. 4 manufacturing blocks, each designed with unidirectional operation workflow. Provide a capacity of more than 3 billion units, with batch sizes from 10 kilos to 600 kilos. The site also has a special low humidity block with a design of less than 15% RH. Key oral solid dosage capabilities include high shear granulation, fluid bed drying and processing, both top spray and Worcester, roller compaction, high-end quadro mills, and specialized and integrated sifter-cum-mills, supporting distinct dosage forms that include immediate release, modified release, and layered tablets. Manufacturing a bulk blend follows a suite concept, enabling multiple product handling at a time within the same block. Piramal's Pithampur facility houses a number of fully automated pressing and coating machines and multiple high-speed automatic capsule filling lines. Packaging capability includes several automatic and integrated HDPE bottle filling lines, right from unscrambler to outserter, with capability to fill any count of product. As one of the first sites in India to offer high-tech serialization solutions for the global market, Pithampur stands out as the preferred site of manufacture for several leading global pharmaceutical firms. In addition to the extensive oral solid capabilities, a dedicated block for ophthalmics includes isolation and insertion technology, an amalgamation of 3-piece and BFS technology, supported by 5 Whaler blow, fill, and seal lines, supplying sterile unit dose and multi-dose ophthalmic solutions and suspensions. With accreditations from US FDA, UK MHRA, and MPA Sweden, the site has an impeccable track record of meeting delivery timelines to the marketplace, 0 product recalls in its history, and successful supply of billions of units into North America, Europe, Japan, and South Asia. Pithampur is a zero-discharge facility with several safety, health, and environmental initiatives, and a stellar quality record of no warning letters or import alerts since inception. Pithampur stands out for its customer-centric culture, world-class scientific and operational teams, and a track record of long-standing partnerships. We welcome you to experience Pithampur and see why we are the preferred partner for both large and small pharmaceutical firms worldwide. Piramal Pharma Solutions.